National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Callaway County, Kentucky until 7 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Murray, Hazel, New Concord, Cherokee, and Harris Grove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky,